In this video, I'm going to show you how to get smooth lines in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, you want to go and select your brush. So I'm going to go to this pixel brush up top and I'm just going to select, for example, some of these basics over here. We're just going to go with the soft round brush, okay? So I'm going to use this one, and when you select your brush, you can start by using it by dragging over here. And as you can see, of course, it's going to work. But then again, if you want more smooth brushes, so if you want smooth lines, what you want to do whenever you select a brush, there's going to be like a tab over here which opens up with different settings. You want to go to this wavy line over here and you want to click on it. And when you do that, as you can see by default, smoothing is going to be either 1 or maybe even 0. You want to go and up the smoothing over here. You can go up to 100. I'm going to go, for example, at around 80 over here. There we go. And then you can try it and you'll see that your lines are going to be much, much smoother whenever you actually do this, okay? So that's the best way to actually get smooth lines. But then if you want them to be smooth, you could also kind of change the size of your kind of background over here. So whenever you are creating your art or whatever, you can go to custom size and you can make it like very, very big, okay? So you can go maybe like even I don't know, if I actually select the pixels over here, you could go and unlock this and do, for example, like 4000 by 4000 or like something similar. And whenever you do this, you can then go and create your document. And when the background canvas is much, much larger, like mine over here, you'll notice that whenever you actually draw something, and if of course even smoothing is on to actually make it even smoother if possible, you'll notice that your creations and your lines are going to appear much, much smoother because you'll be looking at them from a kind of like farther out, okay? So that's how to get smooth lines. Those are the tricks I use. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.